Mobe hotel worker killed in fiery Trelawny crash. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. If you haven't subscribed to YaadAndAbroadTV, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. It will be greatly appreciated. So viewers, news coming out of Jamaica at the moment, people, is that a hotel worker was killed this morning in a fiery Trelawny crash. Yes, you heard that correctly. It goes on to say a Montego Bay hotel worker was killed in a fiery crash on Tuesday morning along the Duncan's bypass in Trelawny. Kimonette Johnson, 27, who lived in Mount Edgecombe in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, was employed to the Iberostar Hotel in Montego Bay, St. James. Johnson was driving her Honda Fit motor car towards Falmouth, Trelawny when she lost control of the vehicle and reportedly hit another Honda Fit, then slammed into an embankment. Her vehicle immediately burst into flames on impact. The driver of the other vehicle was rushed to hospital for treatment. And people, is just very sad and unfortunate that she leaving work, going home, and this is the end result, people. Pray for your loved ones, people. Make sure you pray and ask God to guide them to and from their destination. And people, what I want Jamaicans to do is always have a fire extinguisher or something in them car to try put out a fire just in case. You see me, people, that just in case fire extinguisher. Cause I saw the video, people, and then I see it on the screen, and there was people standing around, and basically nobody not do nothing, cause obviously them probably not have a fire extinguisher in a them car. So basically they stood there and just watched helplessly while the car was on fire. It's just very sad and unfortunate, people. And I see people asking in the comment section like, oh, why she never jump out? Why she never do this? Why she never do that? It's an accident. There is so many things that can go wrong. You see me? She probably was pinned in the car, so she couldn't move. She couldn't do nothing. Unconscious. Like, people just, one of the worst way to go, people. One of the worst death. Imagine you just a burn and you can't do nothing. Very, very sad, people. And as a matter, my condolences goes out to all her family member and friends. I truly hope them find peace in this difficult and tragic time. You see me, people? Bless up in yourself. Once again, if I get more information, more updates on this, I will let you guys know. Alright? Bless up. Much love from YaadAndAbroadTV.
I have very sad news. I'm here at Duncan's, and a guy was making a U-turn and then hit a lady. A lady hit him head on. Lady hit him, he hit the lady hit him head on, and the lady's in the vehicle right now burning. I don't know how bad he is, but the ambulance took him, and the accident was so bad, the lady is still in the car burning right now. Jesus, please, she's in the car. So the guy was making a U-turn?
Yeah, he spin and I go back.
And I go back where?
And he turn around.
And when him turn around, she came and licked him. Oh my God, man. Jesus. Yeah, I can see the skid mark and everything. Oh my God. That is so sad.
Yes, man.
So sad. So is this one lady in the car? One person in the car? Two people in the car?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Burned to death. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Look at the vehicle a burn. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow, this is horrific. Yeah, there was two people. There was two people in the vehicle. Two people in the vehicle. Wow.
Duncan's bypass, bro. On a back road. Right. Smadina, if it's a bone up, brother.
Burn up.
One night it a burn up.